I said, what's on your mind? Yeah. It can be the reason you died. Let me say one more time. What's on your mind? Yeah. It can also be the reason you fly. Let me spend one more round.
Tracy Willie checking in your check. I don't know I gained 9. Welcome back to another video on Tracy Willie Pure Abundance. This is your first time tuning in to one of these videos. Come over here, baby. Oh. We encourage, inspire, and uplift each other to keep evolving into our greatest selves. If you are a returning viewer, you already know what time it is. Let's get it. Look at this view, y'all. Ooh! It looks way better in person. You just gotta be here. Ain't that right, baby? Yeah. So I know y'all hear the water. If you don't, listen. About to take y'all to the water, man. It's already like 60 degrees right now. So that water got to be like 30, 20 degrees or something like that. We don't know. But I think I'm about to get in though. So bear with me one moment, y'all. I'm gonna go set the camera up so me and Beba can come down. Let's get it.
Look at the tunnel, guys. That's what all the water is.
Spooky season. Ooh. Now look at this.
It's beautiful.
Man. It goes on and on and on and on. Alright. So we're gonna do 2 things. Number 1, I'm gonna take y'all down there with me. And number 2, I'm gonna leave Bebe with the camera so she can get me down there too. Do you wanna come, Bebe? You wanna feel how it feels?
Yeah, I think I can.
It's cold, yeah, you can come. So, matter of fact, switch plans. We all coming down. Y'all coming with us.
I'm gonna just sit on the rock though.
Okay. Watch your step.
Oh snap.
You got this, Bebe. You got this, yep, right there. Ooh. Bro, she was about to push both of us off, bro. Damn. Hold on, bro. I'm gonna lose my shit.
I'm so heavy right now.
Alright. For real, bro. Damn. Almost lost everything. Alright.
I'm a little heavy here.
Come on, y'all.
Oh!
It's cold down here. Woo. Look, y'all. There's water everywhere. Bebe cold over there. Watch your step, Bebe. Alright. It's really cold. Look at the mini waterfall. Bebe, careful, okay? You can probably put your step there and then put your butt down. Or even find a better location too.
Yeah. So I can like, oh, right here.
Yep. Let's go, man. We excited. Nature is your home, bruh. You gotta come out in nature and just woo, feel the vibes. And catch your girlfriend too when she's slipping.
Bruh! That's like, ever since I've been pregnant, it's like fun.
I'm telling you, baby, there's better spots like. Right here ain't nothing slippery here. Yep, good job. Yep, good. Damn, I didn't even tell you go that route. You getting creative out here.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm touching the water now.
Touch the water. Let me know how cold it is. Woo! It's cold, huh?
Whoa, bro, that's hella cold.
Dude.
Dang.
Alright, it's time.
You're getting in because it's freezing?
No.
That big.
I'm saying I'm getting in because, well, yeah. Alright.
You guys ready to see him get in the water? Give this video a thumbs up if you guys are ready to see him hop in the water. He's crazy. Any chance Tracy sees water, he's getting in. He don't care how cold it is, like at all.
Ooh, this rock is cold.
He brought a change of clothes and everything, you guys. Guys, he's getting in. He's really about to get in. Oh my gosh, baby, for real? Go! Get in! It's all in the mind, baby. It's not cold. He's saying he don't know, guys. Or you could do it, baby. You could do it. You could do it. Ooh, he got his feet in there. Oh, he's in. Oh, God. He's in the water. Oh, my God.
That's how you smart. Like, this may be not a good thing. It's too cold. I gotta take a dip, man.
Come on, baby, determination.
But man, like, I feel like my feet is not there anymore. It's really cold. Just one dip?
Just one dip, baby. You can do it. I can't stop laughing.
That's it. That shit too. This ain't no way.
I can't stop laughing.
Oh, I didn't get it all the way, man.
Wait till you see your facial expression. Oh, this is a nice picture right here, baby.
Yeah.
Hold on. And we out, huh?
Yeah. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. Sir, just wanted to take y'all out in nature with us one time for the one time. That water is absolutely cold. Still amazing. It's a great experience. But I can imagine it's going to be even better around springtime when the sun is out and the water not so cold. So we'll be back. Love y'all and thank you for tuning in to another video on Tracy Willie Pure Abundance. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all moments, alright? Easy.
I said, what's on your mind? Yeah. It can be the reason you died. Let me say one more time. What's on your mind? Yeah. It can also be the reason you fly. Let me spit one more rhyme.